sleepy, Alec? Long day at school?
Yeah.
Well, at least you made it the whole day at school. Or did you sleep at school?
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. Or were you ever really awake? What do you want for dinner tonight, Alec? Alec, honey, what would you like for dinner?
I don't know.
Fish? Fish?
No.
Okay, so you do know. Ooh, there's an Audi A5 next to us. So we have to tell Dad till you missed it.
What's that one that he said that we do?
Oh, who knows? No one knows.
6'8"?
I don't know.
We're cooler in our Prius.
Oh, for
Swag,
sure.
Roll down the windows.
Oh, for sure.
We be rolling.
Alec, how were your omelets at school? Alec,
Yeah.
how was your omelets?
Fine.
Did you eat them? Did you try it?
We're omelets.
Yeah, they made omelets, in fact.
Preschoolers came over from elementary, and the 6th graders had to watch them for a day in Zach's class.
Oh, gosh,
Or
that
maybe the 7th graders.
that's awesome. That's some good birth control there.
Because there was all these little kids walking in. We're like, all these little kids are coming in.
Did you give Miss Pearson those cups, Alec?
What?
Did you give Miss Pearson those cups?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I won't bother you anymore. Go back to sleep. I'll just wake you up when we get home. Or do you just want me to let you sleep in the car?
And we can probably next year.
Okay.